Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into a VIVO Y01. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find recorder screen button, this one. If you don't have this button here, in the left corner we got pencil, click it. Then find this button here in this block, hold and drag to add tiles. So find this button, then press and hold and drag to top to add this. And for saving your top bar, click back. And now, when you add this button here, press and hold to this button. Now, how you can see, we open our screen recording settings. Sorry. And now, click picture quality option. Here we got two options, high and low. And for change your picture quality, say press select and it's saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.